It is not a secret that you can make money on TikTok. I do that actually. I am a full-time content creator on TikTok. I also do stream on Twitch and like YouTube, obviously. But I do make cash on TikTok, and you can too. And today I'm going to give you guys a few tips and tricks on how to earn a bit of dough from TikTok. So stay tuned. So obviously the most known way of making money on TikTok is obviously from live streams. If you did not know that when you live stream on TikTok, people send you gifts, and when the gifts are sent to you, it transforms into cash dollars. So yeah, the gifts that you give to your favorite TikTokers, you're actually supporting them in the long run with their videos. So yeah. The only thing with live streaming is that you have to have a certain amount of followers to actually live stream, which is from 500 to 1,000. It used to be 1,000 previously, but I have heard that it has gone down to about 500 to 700 followers. So if you do have above 500 followers, congratulations, you can live stream. Yes. But you do have to be over 18 to actually earn money off of TikTok and the live streams. So just keep that in mind. If you do not have the 500 to 1,000 followers, don't worry about it, honey. I did make a video previously on how to grow your TikTok account, so I will link that in the description below if you would like to watch this. Another thing with regards to live streaming on TikTok, to actually cash out the money that you do make on TikTok, you will have to have a PayPal account though. That is the only other thing. And it is, I think the minimum you can withdraw is $1 and the maximum is $1,000 you can actually withdraw on TikTok to your PayPal. So if you want to start live streaming, I would suggest before you can even start, or if you already are live streaming, make an account on PayPal as soon as possible so you can actually withdraw your money. So yeah. The next few things I am about to tell you that people do to get money on TikTok via the lives, I do not recommend doing these because it's kind of trashy and it's just not nice. It's not good. I would never do these, and I don't think you should either, so just keep that in mind. I will tell you what they are though. A lot of people do like to sleep on live streams. They're literally just sleeping and they live streaming it, and people would watch them sleep, which is kind of weird. But yeah, another thing they do is they like to do a gift for a follow or a gift for a shout out. And that is practically if you gift a certain amount of gifts, the person follows you back, or you can get a shout out on their account. I have seen a lot of people do this. The shout out thing, this does work, but it looks really trashy on your account. I would not suggest doing it. It doesn't give you a good look. It does not give you a good look at all, in my opinion. If you want to do it, go for it, but I would suggest not doing that. You'll seem like a sellout, so don't do that. The other way of making money on TikTok is through collaborations, or collabs as we call them. What a collaboration is when a company sees your videos. For instance, I do gaming videos. They say, ooh, Gummy, she does gaming videos. I sell keyboards. I want her to make a video of my keyboard and I will pay her $100 to post the video. That is what a collaboration is. They will either say, I'm gonna send you something, or I'll send you a product and you make a video of the product and I will give you X amount of dollars for it. Or you can either put your link in your bio and I will give you X dollars per day. That is done a lot. And the other thing is they also like to ask you to use their sounds. I have done a few collabs on TikTok where they ask you to do a video with a sound, like a song or something, and it's literally all up to you. You don't even have to do anything. You just have to you can use the audio and you score $100 to $150. If you are not sure on how much to ask for your viewer count, then comment down below and I'll try and make a video for you guys so that you don't outsell yourself, because no, you deserve your money. So if you want that video, comment down below and I'll try my best to get it out to you guys. So yeah. Okay, so the last question I'm guessing you want to ask is, okay, well, Gummy, yeah, that's good. I want to do collaborations. But how the hell do they find me? So, how they actually find and contact you is via email through your business email. I have a business email. A lot of people actually have business emails specifically for collaborations or if anybody wants to sponsor you or something like that. That is where your link in your bio comes in handy. I do believe that you can only use the link once you have 1,000 followers, though. So if you do have 1,000 followers, I would suggest getting a link tree. I use Beacons. You can use a link tree, or I'm not sure how many others there are, but I use Beacons personally. They're really good. This is not sponsored, but you practically have all your links in one. So if they tap on the link in your bio, they get your Instagram, they get your Twitter, your Twitch, whatever other socials you have, and there is a business email that you can put in there. So if a company wants to reach out to you, they can go to your bio, tap on the link, and boom, there's your business email, and then they'll email you there and give you all the details or ask you, hey, do you want to collab? That is how most of us creators actually make money off of TikTok. So I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to leave your TikTok handle down below so we can support you, okay? So yeah, let's support each other. And I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.